Hi, men's point. Now I am showing textile building software demo. First, how to log in the system. So this is the screen of the software first page. First page. So here this is the place where we can give the username and here password. Present username is admin and password is also admin. If you want, you can change after login. Okay, so login, we can when we click on login, we simply log in and the page will be redirect to home page. But sometimes what happens, there is a chance to forget password. So each and every time making call to us and asking password, we will give you the shortcut to easily identify the password. So this is the forget password. Just click on this. So after clicking, the text box will be appear. So give the present year is 15 and today date 12, then click on submit. So I'll show you. So on the URL, u is equal to admin and p is equal to admin. It means the username is admin and password is admin. Even if you change the password after login and the changed password, you can see p is equal to what you change. Okay, so presently the username is admin and password is admin, right? So admin and admin. I am clicking on login. So now the page redirect to home page. So here we can see two screens. One is billing management and super admin management. Billing management module is only used by the shopkeeper, and whereas super admin management is nothing but you, our client is the client have all access of other modules, and every module he can able to handle. So second, if have multiple shops, we give multi-user module so that you can add multiple shops. But in this case, in this system, we showing for single user. For easy demo purpose, if the client requirement is multi-user, definitely we will add another module that is called multi-user registration module. So you can register multiple shops, and for each shop you have a different login systems. So there is nothing problem you need to face. But this time we will showing you one godown and one shop. Yes, now the step by step I'll explain you how the system will works and how to create invoices and how to generate bills, and finally where we can see the all reports. Okay, now the step 1, create category. Here Lungies, this I created last time. This time I'll create one more category called um, caps. Okay, or um, sweaters. Okay, sweaters or suits. Okay, suits, right? So these are ready-made suits. I'm going to create ready-made suits category, new category I am creating. So I am copying this So step by step, first you need to create the category, because you find here lungies and pants, saris, tie and t-shirts, shirts, shorts. So like this, likewise you need to create a category first. So now I am creating ready-made suits category. When I adding this, you find here. So if I want to change the text, ready-made shirts, ready-made suits. So when I click on update, automatically the text will be updated. Now I'll going to subcategory. Here I am selecting ready-made suits. In this ready-made suits category, I am adding three types of suits: suit medium or 28 size. Okay, so in ready-made suits category, I created suit to 28 size, and again another suit I am adding here, suit the 30 size. In the ready-made suits category, I am adding one more suit category, subcategory, that is 32 size. Okay, so when I click on add, three types of suits added here. One is suit 28 and suit 30 and suit 32. These three items added under ready-made suits category. So when we add, automatically the system will give one item code. For suit 28 the system gave 198, and for suit 30 size the system give 199 item code, and for suit 32 the system gave 200 item code. For this item code, the system automatically generates one barcode. If you want to see barcode of this in any item, you click on, for example, if you want to know suit 32 barcode, so just click on this, you will get the barcode of 288. But here what, here the barcode generated for 288, but MRP is 0.00. What it means? Because we created ready-made suits category, under we created three items: suit 28, suit 30, suit 32 sizes, different sizes, but we doesn't set price for those items. Now we need to set the price, and after that again we can come back to here to see whether price updated or not. Okay, so yeah, one second. Now I'll show you once again. So after subcategory, we created three items, but the cost is not set. So we'll go back to home and click on super admin management. Here the password will be again same, 15 12, nothing but 15 is the year and 12 is the current date. After this, click on submit. You will see the 6 modules. In that, sale amount management, click on this, and ready-made suits, click on search. Actually this just before I forgot to record this thing. Okay, here I want to update the cost. For example, already just before I updated this cost, but sorry for that, because I doesn't recorded this only part. That's why again I am creating 3000. But sometimes we need to increase the cost of items. So the second time I'm increasing 3000 for one cost, and 5000 for 2 pieces and 6000 for 4. So when we click on update, the cost will be updated. So see, 3000 for one piece cost and 2500 for each piece cost. The offer is 2. So and 15 4 pieces. The offer is for 4 pieces. Each piece cost 1500. So now we set the price and go back to the subcategory management. In that, if you want to see suit 32 barcode, click on this. You will get 1500 for each item cost. This is the barcode for 288 code. Okay, so when you install, if you in my system there is not installed printer software, that's why I'm not clicking on this. So if you are installed printer software, just clicking on this, you will get the print of this screen, and you will get the barcode stickers. Now after set the price, we need to add this inventory. We need to add inventory in our shop, right? Because in market there is a 3 types of we want to purchase 3 types of suits, ready-made suits. So we decided, and we need to add in shops inventory now. So first I need to add shops inventory. So click on inventory management. Okay, up to this it's finished. Now create type of different lungies or ready-made suits. Example, medium lungies, large lungies. Here in this case, okay, ready-made suits, there will be suit 28 size and suit 30 and suit 32. Okay, system automatically generates item code as well as barcode. If you want to see barcode, click on barcode download word. I already showed you. Up to this it's finished. Now what is the step 3? We need to set the cost for 2 types of lungies or ready-made suits. Okay, so or we can update item cost anytime we want. The updated cost applied to the current stock in our shop, not applied to previous sold items. So up to this I showed you. Now the step 4, add stock to your particular shop inventory. In this current demo we are showing one godown and one shop for easy understandable purpose. Now I am clicking on this, nothing but I am adding stock to this shop one inventory. Okay, so we have 3 types of items just before. Ready-made suits category, suit 28 item code is 198 and suit 30 199 and suit 32 200. So each type we add 100 pieces into our shop. So when I giving the item code 198, here and here showing suit 28 size, each one cost 3000. Total available is 0. Presently there is no stock. We decided, but there is no stock. Now I am adding here 100 pieces. Okay, so see here, suit 28 size, quantity 100 equal into 3000. There is 3 lakhs and 199 100 items I am adding. Even sometime if we doesn't know the code, just type suit 32. We are adding 400. Okay, after this the click on invoice, nothing but now when we click on invoice, the stock, complete stock added into our shop's inventory. So total amount is 14 lakhs. Okay, now start the business. Up to now we first what we done, created categories, ready-made suits, and under that three types of suits: suit 28 size, 30 size, 32 size. After that we set the price of three types of suits. uh, Fourth thing, the next thing is we added three types of suits into our shop's inventory. The fifth step is we started business. Clicking on billing management, clicking on shop one. Okay, so some customers came to the shop. Now they're asking for ready-made suits 28 size. Okay, so we doesn't know the, if they ask suit 30 size, three pieces, right? So clicking on this and suit, sorry, this is the place we can give the code. And again he asked for suit 32. It's nothing but here I am getting 4. It means the offer is 4 pieces offer. So when we just select suit 32, automatically the offer will come like this. So so automatically 13,500 will be the cost. And customer want jeans of 104, one piece. So add, but here what we get, item is out of stock, so item not inserting. So here item, there is no stock available of that particular jeans category. So in that we will directly get from this 0. Okay, wherever we find 0, that means there is no stock available. So if the client want, I'll give one more column showing red color flags, red color indications to easily identify which item does not have stock. And I'll give one more thing for minimum stock level. If any item reaches minimum stock level, so automatically, for example here jeans 1400 cost, there is available of up to 18 items. So while creating the item, we'll set the minimum level of jeans 28, jeans 1400 is 20. When it below 20, automatically will show a orange color or blue color flag. So we can easily identify if the stock is reaches the minimum level. So immediately we'll increase the stock from godown to shop. So now we told to the customer that now the jeans stock is not available, so we need to generate the bill. Now click on invoice. So see this, men's point, ready-made garments, whatever the text, and this is my number actually. So everything we'll see, and suit 30, 2500, and this will be the cost, and total 13,500. So in now the customer asking for what? Yes, discount. So we can give the discounts in two streams. Like one is the percentage discount, and sometimes rupees, we need to deduct some rupees. First we need, I'll show you, the client asking like give me discount 10% discount, or you if you want to give 10%, you just select discount in percentage and give here 10. Add item. So add exist, click on add exist. So see here, so on 13,500 the discount in 10% is 1350, so total will be the 12,150 rupees. Okay, so when you click on print, automatically you will get a print invoice. So when you install and when you connect your system with the printer, you will get a print of this particular area to up to this, and whatever the data you want, you will update here. If you have a multi-user, automatically the system will set these details like men's point shop 1, men's point shop 2, men's point shop 3. Okay, and now I'll show you one by one. When you select ready-made suits here, you will see suit 28 the total stock is 100, and suit 30 the stock is 200 and the total is 200, but just now we sold 3 items. Now the current stock available is 197, and suit 32 category, there will be a 400 stock available, but 4 items were sold. Now 396 were available. 396 is available stock in shop 1. Okay, and after generating the bill, we are giving the customer, likewise we can create n number of bills within a fraction of minutes. For example, I'll second bill I'll prepare here, 128, 124, tuck, single click, and jeans 105. We can see the stock here, right side, right? But the customer said no, I don't want jeans in 2 pieces, so I am deleting here by clicking on this orange color button. So again I'll give 105, only 1 piece. So click on this invoice, that's it. So click on print, we'll get a print. So we created just now 2 invoices, right? So now we'll go for reports. Click on home, superintendent management. We need to see, right, how many sales today we done in shop 1. So profits report management, click on this, and this is the current date. Clicking on this, you will see 2 invoices. We just now created 2 invoices. One is this suits invoice, and second one is cotton stretch and jeans 975, total is 15,825. So likewise in the date manuals, we get our shop total income 4,20,438. Up to now we create invoices, and after this, when you click on stock report management, we will get complete stock information what we have physically in our shop. So see the stock available, like by category selection, and the jeans category. Okay, so after this, one more thing is advanced report management. So here I already showed to you. So based on additional requirement, I'll develop your reports, but this time from this we will get the business from 1/9/2015 to 12 up to today, the total amount, and invoice wise we can see the reports, and as well as item category wise also we can see the reports. Okay, So thank you for watching this.